In this video, I am going to show you how to obtain a 21-day YouTube TV free trial. If you're looking to enjoy an extended trial period to explore the service, this guide will help you take advantage of special offers. Let's get started. To obtain a 21-day YouTube TV free trial, keep an eye out for exclusive promotions or partnerships. Occasionally, YouTube TV extends its standard 7-day trial to 21 days through limited-time deals, promotional codes, or collaborations with other services, e.g., gift card bundles or partner websites. Start by searching online for active offers or checking your email for promotional campaigns. Once you find a valid 21-day trial offer, visit tv.youtube.com and enter the required activation code or click the promotion link during sign-up. Complete the process by entering your details and payment information. But remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you learn how to obtain a 21-day YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.